Rule 13. Overtaking. Rule 13a. Notwithstanding anything contained in the rules of Part B, Sections 1 and 2, any vessel overtaking any other shall keep out of the way of the vessel being overtaken. Explanation. This paragraph establishes that Rule 13 overrides all other steering and sailing rules in Part B, Section 1, any condition of visibility, and Part B, Section 2, vessels in sight of one another. If a vessel is overtaking, no other rule can be used to avoid this responsibility. The overtaking vessel is always the giveaway vessel, regardless of vessel type, power, sailing, fishing, etc., relative position under other rules, size, or maneuverability. Key principle: once overtaking applies, nothing else excuses the overtaking vessel. Rule 13b. A vessel shall be deemed to be overtaking when coming up with another vessel from a direction more than 22.5 degrees abaft her beam. That is, in such a position with reference to the vessel she is overtaking, that at night she would be able to see only the stern light of that vessel, but neither of her side lights. Explanation. This paragraph defines an overtaking situation. More than 22.5 degrees abaft the beam places the vessel within the stern sector, 135 degrees. At night, only stern light visible, overtaking. Any side light visible, not overtaking. The nighttime light description is a definition aid, not a requirement. The rule applies by day and by night. However, if the overtaking vessel is a considerable distance away from the overtaken vessel, so that there is no risk of collision when she passes her, the rules would not apply at that time, and the other vessel would be obliged to keep clear in a subsequent crossing situation, bringing risk of collision between the same two vessels. Rule 13c. When a vessel is in any doubt as to whether she is overtaking another, she shall assume that this is the case and act accordingly. Explanation. This paragraph addresses uncertainty. If you are not certain whether your vessel is overtaking, you must assume that you are, and keep out of the way. This prevents hesitation and reinforces the Colregs principle. When in doubt, give way. The overtaking vessel is not required to avoid crossing ahead of the other vessel, but altering course or reducing speed in order to pass astern of the vessel being overtaken may be the safest form of avoiding action. The overtaking vessel is also required to take action at an early stage. If action is not taken in good time, there is a danger that the vessel being overtaken may take action which could confuse the situation. As the other vessel may ascertain that a crossing situation exists and take action to avoid a vessel crossing from her own starboard side, the vessel, which is to starboard, should preferably turn on to a parallel course and subsequently pass ahead. Rule 13d. Any subsequent alteration of the bearing between the two vessels shall not make the overtaking vessel a crossing vessel within the meaning of these rules, or relieve her of the duty of keeping clear of the overtaken vessel until she is finally passed and clear. Explanation. Once a vessel is identified as overtaking, she remains the overtaking vessel. Changes in course, speed, relative bearing do not transfer responsibility. The overtaking vessel's duty ends only when she is finally passed and clear. This prevents vessels from trying to convert an overtaking situation into a crossing one.